Let me show you how I put the rain gutter on. This is the piece I removed from the car. Still perfect. And basically what I did was, before I removed it, I put a sign right here in the middle. So now when I put it back on the car, I've got it lined up exactly in the same spot. Basically I start from, of course, here in the middle, clip it on top, make sure it lines up here to my mark, and away I go. Press it from on top here, I'm getting it to grab on the top part here first, all the way down, and then just simply roll it over. Of course, you hear it snap. That means it's grabbing. Snap. There you go. That's it. Of course, you can use a rubber mallet, but I'm used to it with my hand by now. I've done many. So again, I make sure it clamps on the top edge first. Right? No bending, no forcing. Very important. No forcing. As I'm pressing the molding down, okay? I'm guiding it down. So, let's take a look and see what we got here. Here you can see. Perfectly straight, no warps. Here's where I was showing where I line it up before I took it off, and here we go. That's it, done. And perfectly. Backlight, anyways. Here you can see how it nicely it's snug up there, nice and tight. Position, nicely positioned, perfect. And that's it, done.